Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do breakdance tricks. We'll begin by exploring the essential elements that form the backbone of every great breakdance routine. Focusing on these core techniques will provide a solid foundation for your journey. Remember, consistency is key, so dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practice. Building muscle memory and understanding the flow between moves is crucial for progression, ensuring you develop a strong, versatile style. Let's dive into toprock, the standing portion of breakdancing. Focus on mastering fundamental steps like the Indian step and the cross step. These moves establish your rhythm and set the stage for what's to come. Practice smooth go-downs, such as the knee drop or the sweep, to transition seamlessly to the floor. Aim for a fluid connection between your standing and floor work, making your entire routine flow effortlessly and look polished. Now, let's get down to the floor with essential footwork. The sixth step is absolutely crucial. It's the foundation for countless other moves. Practice it until it feels natural, then explore variations like the three-step and the two-step. Maintaining a low center of gravity is vital for balance and quick transitions. Aim for precision and speed in your footwork, ensuring each step is clean and controlled, building your agility and floor presence. Finally, let's explore freezes and basic power moves. Start with foundational freezes like the baby freeze and the chair freeze, focusing on holding them steady for at least 5 seconds. For power moves, begin with the swip and the back spin, emphasizing controlled movements over speed initially. Always prioritize proper technique and safety to avoid injury. These elements add exciting, dynamic moments to your routine, showcasing strength and creativity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.